How to create affiliate marketing website on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create affiliate marketing website on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores with ease, in which it is designed for users of all technical skill levels. Shopify also provides a user-friendly interface, customizable website templates, and robust tools for selling products both online and in person. It also supports various sales channels, including social media, marketplaces, and physical retail locations, all integrated into a single dashboard. And now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click the Start for Free button. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page on Shopify, which is the home page in here. On the left side panel, it will show you the overview and how you can start managing here the home page to add payment methods, add a product, design your store, and many more. And in creating an affiliate marketing website on Shopify, we're going to use this platform called Amazon, in which from here we can simply select the product we're going to sell on Shopify. But make sure to join to the affiliate marketing or program of Amazon in order to get the affiliate link of the products in Amazon that you want to promote in here. Then it will show you on the top panel of it the site stripe in here, which indicate that you now have an affiliate marketing, which is this Amazon Associates, where you can track here your earnings overview and many more. And now from here, the first thing that we need to do is to simply look for a specific product we want to promote to our Shopify. And from here, I'm just going to search, for example, Xbox controller, which is this one. By clicking on it, you'll be able to see here all of the result of Xbox controller. And all you need to do is to simply choose here which kind do you want to promote. And I'm going to choose here on the top of this, which is this one. And now from here, all we need to do is simply copy all of the details by going to the product section and click add product on Shopify. And from here, for the title of this, I'm just going to simply copy this title or the name of this Xbox controller and paste it directly in here. And after that, we could also add the description in here, which we can also find below. I'm just going to simply copy all of this and simply paste it directly in our Shopify in order to add the details in here as a description. But in here, since in our Shopify we're not actually selling a product but just promoting the products on Amazon to promote, on the top of this description I'm going to enter the affiliate link, and in here I'm going to input, for example, a capital letter or text that says to order, click the link here. And for the link of the product, all you need to do is simply go back to your Amazon and simply click the get link button, as you can see on the top right corner, as you can see in here. By clicking this one, it will show you the affiliate link, so just simply copy the short link in here instead of the full link and paste it directly on the top of this, which is you could click or simply input it this one or this part below here. Or alternatively, if you want to make it bold or highlight as a link, you can simply copy, paste also in this part, and simply click or highlight first the link that you just paste and click the link icon on the top, which is this one, as you can see in here. By clicking insert link, just paste again the link in here. And for the link title, you can also enter the link title that you prefer. But at this point, I'm going to enter order here and click insert link button. Now as you can see, we have now successfully added the link. And once done, we can now proceed by adding the media in here. We can simply save the images in here, as you can see in our Amazon.com. And as you can see, we have here different kind of variations, but I'm just going to upload a one color, which is a black color in here, after it has been downloaded on my computer files. So as you can see from here, it will show you that the media is now currently being uploaded. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load, or you could also select or add more images that you have saved from your computer files, also from your Amazon in here. Now once done, you can now click the insert button once it is now done uploading in here, or done button below. As you can see, we have now uploaded the two media files. Now below we could add here the pricing for this Xbox controller. So from here you can input the exact amount or price that you see on Amazon. While under the quantity, at this point I'm not going to enter here a quantity since we're not actually trying to sell a product but rather promote in our Shopify store, since our Shopify will be served as a gateway to promote the affiliate products on Amazon and earn from it using the commission that they offer. Now from here under the category, I'm going to simply enter or select other kind of colors since we have here different kind of variations involved on this Xbox controller. For example, I'm going to enter here green, blue, black, red, and many more. At this point, I'm just going to click the save button below once done, or the save on the top panel. Now as you can see, we've now successfully entered here all of the details of this one product on Amazon that we offer. Now if we try to click the online store in here and view it, what it looks like, we can simply see what the customer will see when they try to click the link or the product that we are currently promoting in our store in here on Shopify. By clicking the eye icon from here, you should be directed on our online store in Shopify, and just scroll down below here to see the products in here. By clicking this one, it will show us that it is currently sold out. However, when the customer click on it, they will see this to order, click the link here, and when they click the link, they will be directed on Amazon and they can start purchasing here this Xbox controller by clicking the buy now button right here. And after that, we will earn a commission from it given the customer click the affiliate link that we just add in here in our Shopify online store. Or if you also want to add an announcement in this store, you can simply customize this one by going back in here and click the customize button. By doing so, you should be directed on this page in here. Then you can proceed by navigating on the left side panel, the editing tools. We can add here a different kind of section, but at this point, let's say I'm going to add an announcement bar. And after that, you should be directed in here. It will show you the announcement bar, so you can click on it, and the left side panel under the text section, just enter here the text. For example, I'm going to enter here to order the product. Click the link on the description below, so that when a customer try to order a product in here, they will be able to see this kind of announcement, so they know how to start ordering a products in here instead directly in our Shopify store. And once they follow the instruction in here on the announcement bar, they will be able to be directed in our Amazon affiliate program or to this product that we're currently promoting in here. So basically, using Shopify as an affiliate marketing website is important because it provides a powerful, flexible platform for building a professional looking site that can drive traffic and generate revenue. And overall, that is just basically how you can create affiliate marketing website on Shopify. Thank you.